General risk disclosure. Trading financial instruments, including forex, futures, equities, commodities, and cryptocurrencies, involves significant risk of loss. Trading is not suitable for all investors, as it may result in the loss of your entire investment. Leverage, volatility, and liquidity risks are inherent in these markets. Before engaging in trading, carefully consider your financial situation, experience level, and risk tolerance. You should only invest money you can afford to lose. Forex and futures disclaimer. Trading in the forex and futures markets is highly speculative and carries a substantial risk of loss. The leverage nature of these instruments amplifies gains and losses, potentially leading to substantial financial exposure. This content complies with CFTC Rule 4.41. CFTC Rule 4.41 disclaimer. Hypothetical or simulated performance results have certain inherent limitations. Unlike an actual performance record, simulated results do not represent actual trading. Also, since the trades have not been executed, the results may have under or overcompensated for the impact, if any, of certain market factors, such as lack of liquidity. Simulated trading programs are also subject to the fact that they are designed with the benefit of hindsight. No representation is being made that any account will or is likely to achieve profits or losses similar to those shown. Equities and commodities disclaimer. Equity and commodity trading involves risks associated with market volatility, company-specific factors, and geopolitical events. While stocks and commodities may have a lower leverage factor compared to forex or futures, they can still result in substantial financial losses. Cryptocurrency disclaimer. Cryptocurrencies are speculative and highly volatile instruments. Trading cryptocurrencies involves additional risks, including regulatory uncertainties, security vulnerabilities, and lack of liquidity. Cryptocurrencies are not regulated by most governments or central banks, and their value may be affected by external factors such as news events and market sentiment. Regulatory references. In the United States, this content adheres to the regulatory standards of the Commodity Futures Trading Commission, National Futures Association, and Securities and Exchange Commission. In the European Union, trading practices comply with the European Securities and Markets Authority standards. Global compliance, content aligns with internationally accepted guidelines, but laws vary by jurisdiction. Consult with a licensed professional in your area. Past performance disclaimer. Past performance is not indicative of future results. Any historical results or performance shown in this content are for informational purposes only and do not guarantee future performance. Educational content disclaimer. The information provided in this video is for educational and informational purposes only. It is not intended as investment advice, nor should it be construed as a recommendation to buy, sell, or hold any financial instrument. Always consult with a licensed financial advisor or regulatory authority in your jurisdiction before engaging in trading activities.
All right, let's do the word. Get on the charts. Thursday, the 9th of July. Today was expansion. I engage. Medium level confidence. Conditions confirmed. That Wednesday mid reversal profile is playing out. Price delivery signature seen. We got everything we was looking for. The expectation Wednesday is holding. I'm thinking the terminus is hit. I'm actually thinking that was it for yesterday. My drawn liquidity is Monday's high. I'm laughing right here. We was looking at the flip. It's just funny how perfect it is. Nasdaq M15. Nice flip of the daily FEG. Sloppy play, but it delivered. Take a look at the H1. We got our Wednesday midweek reversal playing out. Lots of stops here, so this is a good target. Also up here. The overall general direction is higher though. So Monday has my low hanging fruit objective. After that, I'm not expecting much on a Friday. Nasdaq on the daily. Perfect flip. Right back at ICTs. That's that reference point he was looking at. We got a wick there. I would just target the next high. Friday, I don't expect too much. Just looking for higher prices. SPX. We didn't have that gap, but we did flip that wick. And we had a better expansion. Took out previous week's high. We still need Monday's high on this one as well. Yeah, we flipped the wicks on, but the expansion was stronger. H1. SMR off of the daily fair value gap and internal range liquidity sweep. This is textbook. Look for higher prices over here too. Take a look at the daily. It's EO levels up here that need to be hit. Weekly levels. So I'm super bullish. Just not expecting Friday to do everything. Not expecting much on Friday. I'm leaning on higher prices. We have SpaceX joining Nasdaq and SK Hynix IPO. Gotta get used to this saying that. Smile on the daily. Just strong, closing above down candles, closing above gaps. Still looking for the stops up here, 756. QQQ, kind of the same thing. More gaps here, but still watching this gap. Previous week's high still need to be got to. Take a look at Nvidia. Nvidia was interesting because it was a down close day, but it was more of a retracement day. So open here, push all the way down, and trace up. It's kind of like we're ready to keep going. So look at this like a rejection block that week and look for buys. This down day was brought up. I like more upside here. It's the executions. Couple buys here. Small. This one is a scratch. Followed by a win. Followed by another win. So look for buys at London and New York session. Did I follow the plan? Yes. If not, what caused it? Doing good with the base hits. What did I do well? Execute. Will I do differently next time? Nothing. Notes and thoughts. Did the framework play out? Yes. What did I learn about pattern narrative of myself? Don't pick tops and bottoms and let the move show itself. Pearl I watch for tomorrow. CAD news. SpaceX and SK Hynix IPO. So that's pretty much it for today. Cruising. All right, y'all have a good day. Peace.